Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows can't communicate with the device or resource fix. First method, type ncpl.cpl in Windows search bar. Click ncpl.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Check use the following DNS server addresses. Use 8.8.8.8.8.4.4. Click OK. If same error still exists, second method is, type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar. Click ncpl.cpl. Right-click Connected Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Check Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK. Third and final method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. ipconfig /flush DNS. Type exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.